Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed term 1 total lessons. So tomorrow we are starting to term 2. Okay. So before starting term 2, we have to complete the 2 pages given. So all of you open your textbooks. I will explain that bits. Okay. 214. So you have to open the page number 214. So yesterday you finished this, no? So next page. Enrichment activities. Just I will explain. Okay, listen carefully. Projects given eggs or babies. So here one project work you have to do it. Take some old newspapers and magazines with an adult's help. Cut out pictures of 2 animals that lay eggs and 2 animals that give birth to babies. Take a sheet of chart paper, draw a table on it as given below. Paste the pictures in the correct columns. So you have to take a chart paper. So you have to divide 2 types. One, which animals lays eggs, which animals gives birth to their babies. You have to make 2 columns and especially first you have to take the adults help. You have to take magazines or newspapers. You have to cut it. What is that? Which animals gives birth to their babies? The 2 pictures. Which animals lay eggs to lays eggs. So you have to cut two pictures like which animals lays eggs means here 2 columns you have to take means lay eggs. Okay, lay eggs. What is the lay eggs? Give birth to their babies. Okay. So here one hens. We know very well. Hens lays eggs and snakes. Snakes also lays eggs. Okay, like that you have to paste the pictures. Don't write the names. You have to paste the pictures. Here dogs. Okay, cows. These all are give birth to their babies. You have to paste the pictures in these columns. Okay. So paste the pictures in the correct columns. Next, B. Let us identify animals on the basis of their feeding habits. So divide the classroom into 3 groups. Here, this is another project. What is that means? You have to identify the different names. What is that means? First you have to make 3 groups. Okay, what is that? Divide into class 3 groups. For example, in our class 30 members have is 10, 10, 10. Like that you have to divide the A group, B group, C group. Like that. So here rule number 1 to 15, 16 to 30, 31 onwards. Like that. Green group, red group, another one blue group. Here like given now like that. So now itself we are not in our classroom. That's why just you have to do all groups work you only. So children of group A, paste a green colored paper on a drawing sheet. Better to take the green chart. Otherwise green green drawing sheet means you have to paste on that. Okay. So on this paper paste pictures of 5 plant eating animals. So you have to drawing on a drawing sheet, green colored paper on a drawing sheet. On this paper paste pictures of 5 plant eating animals. You have to paste the pictures of 5 plant eating animals. Okay, like cow, goat, elephant. Okay, like that 5 names you have to paste the pictures. 5 the animals pictures you have to paste. Okay, next. Children of group B, paste a red colored paper on a drawing sheet. On this paper paste pictures of 5 flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals, only flesh eating animals only. What is that? 5 names like tiger, lion, dog, okay, snake, like that 5 names you have to write. Children of group C, paste the blue colored paper on a drawing sheet. On this paper paste pictures of 5 animals that eat both. What is that? Flesh eating and plant eating animals. So plants and flesh. So you have to write you have to paste the pictures of wolves. Okay, like bear, cockroach, humans. Okay, crow. That 5 pictures you have to paste it. That is the project number 2. Project number 1, which animals lays eggs? Two animals pictures. Which animals give birth to their babies? Two animals pictures, like that. Next, fun to do. Request your parents to take you to a vegetable shop. Identify and write the names of two stems that you eat. Two names you have to write. You have to request to your parents. While your father or mother going to the market means along your father or mother or along with your parents, you have to go to the market shop. Okay, in that market or vegetable shop, in that shopkeeper you have to ask the names. The only first one, what is the stems that you eat? So you have to identify that all vegetables have in that vegetable shop. You have to identify which vegetables stem we have to eat. Okay, like two names you have to write. Roots that you eat. Okay, roots. Next, leaves that you eat. Leaves. Okay, you only write. Next, experiment. What is that D-bit experiment? The stem carries water upwards. Let us do an activity to prove this. Wow. So, here one activity, very easy activity. You have to do it at your home. Okay. So, you will need a white flower like the chrysanthemum. Like a white flower, chrysanthemum flower means you have to take it. 2 glass tumblers, plain water and red ink. Plain water and red ink. Okay, take the flower. You have to take that chrysanthemum flower. Means it's very nice flower, no? So, you have to do. Ask an adult to carefully cut its stem lengthwise to split it into 2. So, the stem means you have to cut 2 equal parts. Okay. So, like that flower means. Okay. So, you have to cut it 2 pieces like this. Okay. Cutting after like that only have that. So, you have to 2 tumblers. You have to take that 2 tumblers. You have to dip these 2 that stems. Okay. Okay. Ask an adult to carefully cut its stem lengthwise to split in it 2 into 2. Fill 1 tumbler with plain water and the other with water mixed with the red ink. You have to take one plain water, other one mixed with the red ink. Okay. Okay, this plain water, this red ink. Red ink you have to mix. This is the plain water. Plain water, red water. Red water means red ink you are adding means that is called the red water. Okay. So, you have to do the experiment. Here, place the flower into 2 glasses. 1 part of the stem in each of the glasses. So, place the flower into 2 glasses. 1 part of the stem. You have to do like this. 2 parts you are dividing means 1 part of the stem, 1 part of the stem. You have to keep like that. So, leave it undisturbed for a few hours. You have to leave it like that. You are doing after. You have to leave it. So, few hours like that only. Don't disturb that stem of the flower. Okay. What do you observe? Write in your notebook. So, you have to write in your notebook what you are observed. So, what happened means half of the flower, it's turned into red color. The half of the flower is turned into red color. So, next activity given one. The different organ systems of our body work together. Do a role play to see what happens if they don't work in coordination. So, here this activity, you only do the activity. Your 7 children. Okay, here any 7 students of the class can be labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F and G respectively as the different systems of the body. A means respiratory respiratory system, B means digestive system, C means circulatory system, D means nervous system, E means skeletal system, F means muscular system, G means excretory system. 7 systems names. Okay, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. One of the students from A to G will say that she or he will not work with the other systems. The other students will say from the following options, what will happen to the body in such a case? So, you have to do this activity. One student, that name A means respiratory system, like that names given. So, here questions asking means the student will come. Okay. So, here the body will not be able to take in oxygen. What will happen? So, that is the respiratory system. Why? Because we are taking oxygen with the respiratory system only working. We are taking oxygen and removing the carbon dioxide. That totally belongs to respiratory system. So here the body will not be able to take in oxygen means that belongs to respiratory system. So here that A labeled student will come. Like that we have to do the activity. The body will not be able to get energy from food. That belongs to digestive system. Blood will not be pumped to the different parts of the body. That belongs to circulatory system. So blood circulation. Next, the body will not be able to hear, see, etc. So that nervous system. The nerves, the brain only gives the order means we can see, we can hear, we can talk. Okay, next, the body will lose its shape. The body will lose its shape means that skeletal system. All bones perfectly have means we have the correct structure. We lost the structure means the skeletal system properly not there. We are looking like that. So we are strongly, straightly have means the skeletal system perfectly have skeletal system. The body will not be able to move its parts. So we are not moving means the muscular system problem having no. So muscular system. Waste will accumulate inside the body. So the problem faced on like excretory system, lost system here, excretory system. What message do you get from this role play? So you are all members doing like that only. We are doing the in our classroom have means we have to do that role play. It's very nicely we can understand, but here not available no. So at your home as possible has 7 students have means you have to do like that. So discuss what would happen to us if the following people refused to work. Doctors, sanitary workers, farmers, teachers, police. What happened? They all are very important. Doctors would happen to if the following people refused to work. Doctors not working means we are suffering from illness. So very danger. So doctors only they are working properly means only we are curing. Next sanitary workers they are doing their works. That's why the total world looks nice. Be cleaned. Okay, farmers they are only providing food. Without the providing food we can't eat. So teachers they only teachers all students they afterwards the students only become the lawyers, doctors, like next teachers like that. Police protect ourselves. So when we lost the things means they only find out and giving and they only the thieves have means they only catch the thieves, they protect us. Okay. So next revision worksheet. Okay. worksheet first one. All animals, this is A, B to tick the correct answers. All animals depend on these for their food. Other animals, plants, water sources. Plants. So plants. You have to tick like this. Okay, next. These animals lay eggs, you know very well. Which animals? Dogs and cats, tigers and elephants, snakes and birds. Snakes and birds. Snakes and birds. Okay. Next. Whales have these to breathe. Okay, gills, air holes, lungs. Lungs. Whales means very heavy fishes. So, that's looking like a fish, but a whale, a very large have. So it's looking like a fish. It's living in the water, but it lungs only have the breathing organs. Okay, lungs. Our body is made up of 206 bones. It's striking. It's a very important question. Always you have to remember. On this part you have to give the answer. 206 bones. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Plants grow towards the light. Be it. First one. Towards the light. Plants grow towards the light. Okay. Plants breathe through tiny dash on their leaves. Tiny pores. Okay. Pores. Okay, next, when a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is a dash. What is that fruit root name? Fibrous roots. Number of roots have means fibrous. Fibrous. Next, dash holds the plant upright and support its branches. What? Stem. Stem. Okay, next. Tissues join together to make an organ. Okay, tissues make that organ. Last one. Tissues join together to make an organ. Okay, next match the columns. What is that? Animals like cows and buffaloes need what? Milk producing food. Why? Because they have to give the milk means milk producing food. You had first to D. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Like A, B, C, D. Okay. So like this. D. The undigested food goes to the dash large intestine. Okay. Large intestine. That is the A. Undigested food goes to the large intestine. Okay, see here like this. Next, fruits have seeds inside them. Okay, fruits have seeds inside them. B. Plants do not have sense organs. Plants do not have sense organs. We know very well. Okay. Next, answer these questions very easy. How do living things differ from non-living things? Write 2 points. These all lessons over now. These all lessons including the question answers. Okay, you know very well. You only write like that. Write one role of the stem in a plant. Why do some animals swallow their food whole? Which are the organs of the nervous system? How is our skeletal system useful to us? These all are answers in our lessons only have. You have to try. Okay, tomorrow we will start the term 2. Safety and home. Okay. So you have to complete the question answers. That is your homework. Question answers have to as possible as you have to search and write the question answers. Thank you.